How to fix Minecraft connection timed out, no further information. I'm going to show you two fixes. For the first one, open up your computer search and you want to search for view network connections. Now here you will find your first connection. Right click on it and go to properties. Now you want to locate Internet Protocol version 4. And again, we're going to click on properties. Here you want to select use the following DNS server addresses and you will just type 1111 and the alternate DNS server is going to be 1.0.0.1. This is going to be a generic DNS address, so it's going to be safe. Click on validate settings upon exit and click on OK. Once you have done this, we can proceed to the next step, which is going to be opening up our computer search again, searching for CMD and right clicking and run as admin. Here I'm just going to click on yes, and now you want to type this command ipconfig /flushdns. Once you do this, it's just going to clear any errors you may experience with your network, and that should fix the Minecraft issue. I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.